Relative humidity was 82%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.21 inches and steady. Elsewhere around the region, haze was reported with a temperature of 45 at Moline and 45 at Bloomington. It was 41 at Chicago's lakefront. It was sunny with a temperature of 40 at DuPage Airport, 37 at DeKalb, 41 at Rockford, 37 at Burlington, Wisconsin, and 43 at Milwaukee. At Madison, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 43. At Waukegan, it was cloudy with a temperature of 38. Once again, at O'Hare it was 38 with haze.
Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Rest of today, mostly cloudy north and partly cloudy south, becoming mostly sunny all areas during the afternoon. Patchy fog late in the morning. Highs in the mid-40s, west winds around 10 miles per hour late in the morning, becoming light and variable early in the afternoon, then becoming west around 10 miles per hour late in the afternoon. Tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-30s, southwest winds around 10 miles per hour. Thanksgiving Day, mostly sunny, unseasonably mild. Highs in the mid-50s, southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s, southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Friday, partly cloudy, unseasonably mild. Highs in the upper 50s, southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour at times. Friday night, mostly cloudy, at 20%.
The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by the system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in northern Illinois and northwest Indiana, will be activated for watches and/or warnings affecting counties in the listening area. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
At 11 o'clock a.m. at Chicago O'Hare, haze was reported. The temperature was 38 degrees. The dew point was 33, and the